Try to manually creating shipping label for your WooCommerce order. Say hello to Package Sticker, the all-in-one barcode generator and shipping label plugin that helps you create professional, ready-to-print shipping sticker in just a second. How to use and customize. Getting started is super easy. First, select an order from the drop-down. The plugin automatically fetches key details like order barcode, order QR code, customer address, ship to, your shop address, ship from. This will be placed on the label instantly. Personalize options. Now customize the label further with your own logo link or brand name, courier name, editorial, shop address. Option field like lot number, dimension, package weight, shipping date, delivery instruction, package handling symbol. Everything you need it right here. Just fill in the field that matter for your shipment. Apply and print. Once everything's set, simply click Apply Changes, save, then download and print your ready-to-go shipping sticker. No more wasted time, no more manual label making, just fast, clean and professional label every time. Download the Package Sticker plugin today and start printing smarter, not harder. Shipping simplified, efficiency amplified. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more WooCommerce tools and tutorials.